This is Keith from Silent Auction Biz. Today we're going to show you how to use your phone and the Easy Add program. With Easy Add, you can add products through your phone to your auction list. This is a laptop screen, but you can still see that you're logged in under when your name is under the Canadian flag. So on your phone, you will click on Auction Setup or Menu. I'm going to just click on Auction Setup here. On your phone, you'll touch the menu button and you'll see the Easy Add listed there, or you may see this Home Auction dashboard. The Easy Add is right here, and the screen, it looks the same. You want to make sure you're in the right auction. You type in your product title name, your lot, what it is, put in your description, and this is where the photos come in. You might want to add 3 photos. And what you would do is you would click on the item and then your camera should pop up. If it doesn't pop up, then you can just hit one of these other icons and your camera will pop up. You take a picture, you agree that that's a good picture, and it will get added right here. You will see the thumbnails build on your phone. You can add your lot number, your consignor code, if the condition new or used, you can put a starting price and a location, and then you can display it. Or if your auction is still being hidden, you still want to display it immediately within so you can see it. And then you just click Add New Product, and it will get added to the auction list that you're building. You also can search for an item. Say you want to take an extra picture or different pictures of an item that you have already added. So you just click on the search there, and up here is what you could type in your keywords. I'm just going to look for something. Let's go, we'll go chainsaw. And then all the information comes up. You can see some of the pictures that are taken there. You can crop them by that little icon. You can take more images. That's what you wanted. You wanted different pictures. So you would take this on your phone. This is exactly what you see on your phone. Take more things, and everything's optional, like lot numbers. If you want to do editing on your laptop instead later on, you can just take the pictures, add the key information that you want, and then you just update product because this product's already added. So we're just going to update it. So that is the Easy Add screen. To make it easier to use your phone to add products that you want to add to your auction list. This was Keith from Silent Auction Biz. Our contact information is at the bottom of every screen.